Have you ever been to Central Perk Cafe in Singapore? Here's a quick tour. Check out Chandler and Joey's apartment with a lot of hugsies and the iconic entertainment center where you have to twist and turn. Of course, there are foosballs also here. The details are super on point with Chandler's door cut in half and the storage compartment big enough to fit a grown man. Or so was advertised. There are also a lot of merch here on display in How You Doing? Ross also has his own corner with all his dinosaur stuff. Moving on, remember the one with the race car bed? They also framed some of Rachel's iconic outfits. In Phoebe's corner, you'll find a smelly cat, a guitar, and Gladys. An original buffet that has something coming out of it, aside from Glynis. Phoebe's wedding gift for Chandler and Monica is also here. It feels like being on the set of our comfort show, complete with a screening. Here at Central Perk Cafe, you can have coffee with your friends, with drinks named after the gang, like this iced Chandler Bing latte. Or order some of their signature dishes for dinner like the Anagi and Joey's ride-along sandwich, aka the greatest sandwich in the world that Joey risked his life for. What's your favorite Friends episode?